Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be making some Chick-fil-A sauce inspired by astrology from A to Z. I have some mayo, some regular honey barbecue sauce, some yellow mustard, some organic Dijon mustard. Hopefully that's gonna actually work. I'm not for sure if you can actually use organic, but we're gonna actually see. And I have some local Texas honey, and I have some lemons. So yeah, I guess to start off, I'm just gonna put 1/4 a cup of mayonnaise. Guess it's gonna be all the mayonnaise I do have in here, so that's good. I was trying to use it all up before the expiration date. I was supposed to put on some gloves, but oh well. And I have some chicken nuggets cooking in the background. My Fry Daddy. It's some, let me see, these like Southern style chicken bites or whatever. So hopefully it's actually well. I never tried this kind, so I'm hoping it's gonna be good. Get a napkin right quick. And I'm checking on the chicken nuggets right quick. Okay. 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, got that. 1 tablespoon of mustard. I was gonna like use this to rely on, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna just use this or whatever. I don't wanna like mess it up or whatever. 1 tablespoon of mustard. I don't even think I have enough, but we'll see. I didn't think I had that much in there. Yeah. Wipe it off. Put that to the side for now. Yeah, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of barbecue. Ooh. I didn't think that was gonna just come out like that. Oh, it's messy. I'm just gonna end up throwing this away. So I do have another one, a cabinet. Ah, that was messy. Okay, I got the barbecue, 2 tablespoons of barbecue, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. I just bought this solely for these purposes. Okay, say 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm hoping it's gonna taste the same with all this like different kind of stuff. Like to me, this is like using this extra like measuring cup. It's like a waste of stuff. Okay, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I have some lemons already cut up. I'm just gonna put it in this so I can get all the seeds out. Whew. It was good. I'm just gonna use this to get the seeds out. And basically, I'm just gonna blend this up. I need to be checking on my chicken nuggets. I'm about to try it. Damn! This shit good as hell. I didn't think it was gonna taste like it. Hey now. I won't never be going to Chick-fil-A. For real. This is how it's looking. I didn't think it was gonna actually taste the same or whatever, since I have like the organic stuff and real honey, but it tastes good. I like it. So now I might jar some of this up. But now I'm about to finish working on my chicken. Thank you so much, guys, for actually watching this video. I'm probably gonna make a mukbang later on tonight, and I'll see you guys on the next one.